And stay tuned, guys. We're not even sure what we're going to name the company yet, but you're going to be right here with us following the entire journey as we go through the making and the baking and the grinding and the slicing and the packaging and the package development. You guys will see the process on this. Now, not only are you guys going to see the process of how we build this, the reason we're doing this for you basically live, the reason that we're bringing you these videos step by step, including this session here, the fleshing it out session, right, is to show you how to develop a business. So, YouTube analytics tells me that 86% of you guys are not subscribed. Let's change that. Hit the button. Even a simple dog treat business. I mean, this doesn't have to be some multi-million-dollar company that you ever want to do. Many of us just need another source of income, a side hustle, or we see opportunity that we just want to seize. And for us, it's about minimizing our risk, minimizing our exposure, right? Minimizing our loss on the farm and maximizing our profits, right? Profitability. All while actually producing real value to our consumer, our customer, our clientele, and our fan base as well, right? Not only in a product sense, but in a content sense as well. You don't just get to learn how to build a business, you also get to learn how to do the specific business, how to do the math, how to do the recipes, what equipment that you need, what kind of work is done on the marketing on the back end, what it looks like for a husband and wife to work together. Yeah, for a husband and wife to work together and build a real company and have a go at it. You'll see what it actually costs to do this. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. If you enjoy the type of content I've been bringing you, hit the subscribe button. If you think the type of content that I'm bringing you has value to other people, then hit that share button as well. Let the world know there's some good stuff going on here in this video podcast on this channel, coming out of the mouth of this guy right here. Now, I'll tell you right now, the costs on this, we've already looked. Packaging, we're going to order one style of bag right now, and it's the fold down type that has the zipper on it. You'll tear off the top the first time, and that'll be for our variety of our treats for this very first market. Packaging is only $50. I'll tell you now. Okay, $50 for 250 bags. That's plenty for one single market for one single day, right? As far as the pricing and what we're going to have in them, that's going to be in another video, so just wait and see for that. As far as materials, we plan to spend between $20 and $50 on actual supplies and material ingredients, right? So all total, that's $100. $100. Packaging and material. We had to pay $40 for the vendor fee to set up our booth next Saturday. So the entire business startup, right, just a startup here, $140. So let's see what we can do with $140 in one weekend and see what we can turn that into. Now, if we don't make the $140 back, in revenue, what supply is left over? What's the shelf life of that? And what is the value, cumulative at the end? That's what we want to know. Out of the $100 worth of COGS, right, cost of goods and supplies, what are we able to produce as far as income, right, and revenue? So we'll find that out, and you guys will too. Thanks for watching. Do you have any parting words you'd like to say?
April 6th, come out and see us.
It's Chris and Denise from Springwood Farms, and we thank you for watching. We look forward to doing business with you and to meet all your smiling faces at the local markets. Have a fantastic day. See you on the next video. Hey, if you are a business owner, an investor, or a leader in your industry and you would like to have your story told, if you would like to share your story with our audience, be a guest on our video podcast. There's a link down below. I'd love to have a conversation with you. The network of Networth Video Podcast is a place where we have high-level conversations with high-level individuals, and I'd like for you to be one of those individuals. Hit the link below.